What it do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome on back to the 1000 Solana Challenge video episode number 2. In today's video, I'm showing you some more flips, live trading, overall plays and what I did, and what the current portfolio balance is looking like, and what my future plans are. Also, future Jerzy here, and hey, this is not financial advice. Please don't take it with a grain of salt as financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm a random dude on the internet talking to you about pictures of random shit. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and please leave a like because it helps. Alright, bye. So if you're new, like, comment, and subscribe. Do all those things. Support the channel. Support me. I love all of you guys so much. Thank you for being here, and enjoy the video. Portfolio update. If you guys know about the Zenkoku Labs, if you know about the Cybogers, if you know about the fairies, dude, you were early. If you didn't, well, you missed out on an explosive bullish run. I did mint one of the Cybogers for 2 Solana because I did have whitelist for buying one of the ugliest looking things in the entire universe, and now they're at 10 Sol. And I actually have 2 of these on my main wallet as well. On top of that, Solana Money Boys have ran all the way from the 6th entry to 17 each. I got both of these under 10, and I could sell them for over 35 Solana right now. And then we got Chikara Chimps, which I will be making a flip on right now. I paid 2.1 for this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and list it for like 3.4, and hopefully it sells, because they just introduced a new sort of mechanic behind the project. So I'm gonna go ahead and list this now during the uptrend, as these things are very volatile, and we'll make a little bit over 1 Solana. All right, so 2 other little bullish plays that I'm currently working on are gonna be the Simians. I bought one of these at 8.5. They're about to abrupt that 10,000 Solana traded volume, and these are gonna be a launchpad protocol, which they do pay out dividends to the holders of the royalties they get and the fees from launching projects. So I love this project. I love the artwork. I think it's super cute, and it's a nice little profile picture, and I am bullish on the Monkey Labs as well, as they are another launchpad protocol. On top of that, I am super bullish on Ultron Apes. They have Gen 2 coming out with the breeding sort of protocol, some sort of staking and other things like that, and they are launching on Solport Marketplace, which is Solport Tom, the leader of Tayo Robotics. I'm super bullish on that project. I'm still holding these for a massive flip. I'm expecting over 10 Solana. As for Bobos, I did buy it at 1.3, sold at 1.65. These things did run up to 1.8 right now. Desolates, I did buy in pretty cheap at 2.9, sold it for 4.4, which is a beautiful flip. The Magic Ticket OG, which is going to be the highest tier collection of the Magic Ticket DAO ticket thing, whatever that fucking dropped out of nowhere. But I do think the OG ticket of the Magic Eden DAO ticket thing that got airdropped will be the highest and most, effort put behind this ticket out of the entire collection. I did buy in very, very expensive at 2 Solana. As you can see, they're chilling at 1.6. I feel like whenever the Magic Eden DAO tickets do get that actual effort and protocol behind them, the OG ticket will have the most benefit. Cyborg Iguanas, I did mint these for 1.5. I did get whitelist for them, and I did sell it for 3.33, so I did make a nice little 2x on that, and I did buy another whitelist token on my main wallet, and then I flipped that one for 3 as well. But this is a sick project, man. Came out of nowhere, almost 5k volume in under 24 hours, and they are selling for 3 now, and the mint was 1.5, so I did 2x mine. Did finally sell my Bulldog Billionaire for 5.69, bought in at 4.4, so I made a decent flip there in around a week. 1.2-ish Solana profit on top of the 5% fee, so around 1.1 Sol profit, and these are chilling at 6 now. Beautiful. We currently have 8 Solana in the wallet and a floor value of 120 Sols, so we're at around 128, 129 Sol-ish, roughly, give or take. As I am down a little bit on the Monkey Labs, I bought in at 23, but I did get a free profile picture airdrop. It is now worth around 2 Sol. And a little degen play is going to be the Solana Feline Business. This is like a rugged project, derugged, new team, new roadmap, new protocols coming in the works. So I'm looking for a degen flip on these. I got all of them under 0.2 each, so I put around 0.8 Solana into 4 of these, and I'm looking to sell them for a nice 3 to 4x. So it's a sad day. And obviously with this challenge, my end goal is to make $100,000 in NFTs from starting with 10k. And I gotta show you guys some fumbles that I made this week and some things that I'm pretty upset about. So the intro of this video was about Zenkoku Cybogers and their partner pair Zenkoku Fairies, which are doing relatively well at a 10 plus Solana floor price. Some of these selling for upwards of 28 for whatever reason. This one looks pretty sick, but I did sell my Cybogers for a relatively cheap price, and now they're at 40 Solana, which is mind-blowing. And one of them sold for 50, which is mind-blowing. So this fucking hurts. I had 6 of these. I could have made upwards of 250 Solana off of this project yet alone. Off of 6 NFTs alone, I had over 250 Solana worth of value if I would have held them for an extra 2 days. I did sell the one on my 100 Sol wallet for 11.9, which sucks. So 6 days ago, I did sell this one for 11.9, as we can see, and he put it right up for 100 instantly. So maybe this one was a rare rare or some shit. I don't really know. But the floor price on these are now 40. And I had 5 of these on my main wallet that were sold for 12 as well. So I fumbled. Bad. You can't win them all. It sucks. I did ape into a bunch of Magic Eden tickets because I am expecting something to happen with these in the future. Lux Real Estate is doing somewhat decent. Botborgs are down. Alpha Gorillas are down. You know, the entire NFT marketplace is a little in shambles, so we're not doing the best on flips. Lost Lions down tremendously bad. Gore Cats, I thought they were running up. They did do a little reverse psychology on me. I did sell my Kets on Craig for 5.69 that I did buy for 3.75, so that was a decent flip for around 2 Solana profit before fees, so I'm pretty happy with that. This one wasn't that low of a rank anyways. Overall, the floor is looking at 96 Solana at the moment, and we do have ourselves, I believe, 25 Solana in the wallet, so we're still up around 25 Solana on the challenge itself, give or take like 3 to 4 Solana. So we're still in the profit zone, which is good. Profit is always good, but I fumbled major. Money boys are doing good since the call. I did get these at around 6 and they're at 17 right now, and I do think they will go back to 20, as well as their dashboard and the money girls coming soon. But really quickly, ladies and gentlemen, I want to give you a word from today's video sponsor, FTX. If you're looking for the easiest, best, and most trustworthy cryptocurrency exchange in the entire world, FTX is your one-stop shop. Not only are you able to buy NFTs and cryptocurrency from the support of your mobile phone, you can actually do this with paying $0 in gas, especially on the Ethereum side where gas is ridiculous. You can save quite a few bucks on NFTs on FTX. Tomorrowland is also collaborating with FTX by launching their 6,500 NFT collection on FTX.us, which is super sick to see. And this will be a public sale on March 26th, so I'm super stoked to see how these go. We already saw the Coachella Pass trade very quickly and have massive amounts of volume over on FTX as well. Very smooth and professional launch. And these will be on Solana as well. On top of that, FTX offers no ACH fees, no minimum fixed transaction fees, and no minimum withdrawal fees as well on their platform. Use it from the comfort of your mobile phone or the desktop application. Both links are going to be down below. You can make your sign up and your first deposit with using the links down below to support me, the channel, and yourself, because you're saving out on money. Anyways, thanks a lot, FTX. I really do appreciate the support on the channel. And let's go ahead and keep going. Sugar Realm is currently in the mint. This is March 14th, so this is going to be a huge day for the gaming industry on Solana because Sugar Realm is going to be a huge game. Currently only 900 whitelisted for OG and 768 have already been minted, which is crazy to see. So that's like 85-90% of the OG pre-sale already minted. Whitelist starts in about 15 minutes here, and then public is in an hour and a half. I'll pop mine up on the screen. What do you guys think about it? I think it looks all right. My personal thoughts on Sugar Realm NFTs themselves, not going to be the craziest floor price out the rip because the game is still to come. There's a lot of dates they have, you know, promised, but they're kind of far out there for the game itself. So we'll see what happens with the project. I just think it's a dope mint, and yeah, why not go for it? Another project that I was pretty sleeping on is going to be Marijuana. These things have absolutely blown up today with a bunch of volume, and even their more rarity, higher traits are going for so much money right now. So I'm looking to cop a few of these on the main wallet, as well as the 100 Soul wallet. I already bought 4 this morning on the main wallet. I can't fucking talk. And now I'm picking up a few of these on the 1000 Soul wallet just to see if I can get lucky on some flips here. The rares are going for 3.5. Magic Eden isn't even able to update what the current floor price is because of how fast these are moving. And yeah, they've got a PvP game, an auto chess game. They have a Farmville type marijuana game. And the founders behind this NFT and project are actually the founders behind the Dealer No Deal mobile game. So they've got a lot of taps in, a lot of connections within the actual mobile gaming industry, and their pockets are pretty deep. So they're doing something right. So I thought I'd grab a few of these, see what we can do with them. I'm going to pick up a rare just because I think these can trade upwards of 5 to 6, 7 even Solana. So we'll see what happens with it. I like the project a lot. Plus the whole marijuana CBD styled of NFTs seem to be blowing up in the last couple of months here on Solana. Stoned Apes, Best Buds, Marijuana with a PvP game. Overall, there's a lot going on in this industry of NFTs. Pretty good goal that I do want to go forward is to get myself a DGOD on this account. That would be a pretty huge little plan, I guess. I could have gotten one if I would have held my Zenkokus. Flopped there. But I think DGODs are going to trade triple digits very, very soon. So I have my eyes on these. I do own one of these for 45 on my main wallet. And I'm still banking on Desolates to absolutely crush the metaverse scene here in the near future. Currently at 3.47. It's kind of high for me to get into right now. I'd rather enter at around 2.9 to 3.1, around that area. and then just long term the fuck out of these. I have around 15, 16 total now, so I'm pretty happy with my investment on Desolates. Ultron Apes, I am holding these until the Gen 2 does launch. I'm very excited for this to launch on Soulport as well, so it's gonna be a pretty dope fucking flip here. I think this will hit 10 each easily, and then I'm gonna sell both of them out at around that floor price, make a nice little 4x on my original investment. Thoughts on Simians and Monkey Labs? Well, two Launchpad projects that have both, yeah, they took a huge fucking flip, man. This is just sad to see. With Magic Eden's, you know, Launchpad coming back out and being accessible, I think Launchpad NFTs are taking a huge toll at the moment just because of the competition, the fees they take, and the turnaround times. So we'll see what happens. I did buy this one for like 8.5. Oh my god. And I bought my Monkey Lab for, I think, 18 is. So I'm a little down bad on these two investments. 23. Never mind. Even worse. Jesus Christ. We shall see what happens in the next episode. I am trying to allocate more funds into more variety of projects, some quick flips, longer term holds, passive income holds, and overall things that can make me more money down the line, rather than a quick immediate profit, because this is a long-term project or a long-term series where I've got to make 100K. So we'll see what happens. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, let me know down below. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. I love you guys. Road to 20K subs. Can we do it soon? Thank you very much. Later.